Abahlali baseMidlands ezone 1 nasezone 3 bajamelene nengxaki yombane ngelixesha lemozulu ebandayo. Abahlali bathi ukucinywa kombane kudlula ixesha elimiliselweyo lenkqubo esemthethweni yocimicimi yombane kwaye ngamanye amaxesha kuqengqeleka iintsuku bengenawo umbane. Namhlanje amalungu oluntu abhenele ezitalatweni ukuyokukhalaza ngale ngxaki.
Amalungu omphakathi yaseMidlands ezone 1 kanjalo nasezone 3 abeke izivimbamgwaqo namhlanje ekuseni. Lamalungu omphakathi akhala ngokuthi sekuphela amaviki amabili bengenawo ugesi kule ndawo, lokho kwenza isimo sibe nzima kakhulu. Bechaza kabanzi amalungu omphakathi bakhala ngokuthi ugesi uyadingeka kakhulu, ikakhulukazi njengoba kuyilesi sikhathi sonyaka kubanda kakhulu ekuseni.
I think Eskom efila community zone 1 kaofela. These people, this area kaofela, banally prepared kaofela. They were supposed to look under their concern more offices gore which side is corrupting haitsamaye gantle ka electric ha patela electric. But more na le basadi ba golo ba phela ka di oxygen into tse kaofela. Imagine 5 days ba timetse ka tsela entseng yana. Even now we've been talking with police people here. Okay, they respond good for us because of they were supposed to shoot us and all that stuff, but they understand what the current situation gore go etsagala eng.
Asakhona ukuyisikolweni abantwana bese bakhona ukuyisikolweni ngoba ile gesi lena namazifuta yasihlupha nawo so le economy lesihlala kuyo man eshaya yasihlupha shema yasihlupha mayi.
You on a blank, you don't know what's happening. Ratimelo fela the whole week. Ratimelo west part more hot 41 ne ritimelo ka 5 go se ya afternoon re tabere light le kana ko ka 11 ya bosigo o tla etsang ka motlakase ka 11 ya bosigo because re robetse kana ko re mo dikobong.
Ewes my system go khona uzono ke thandeka ona le ngwana o philang ka oxygen, so 72 hours 24 hours o phila khanne ka botlele kana o tla tsiwa kae, so a itse plan ga sokola papa go tshumya ka lene. There
are children who are supposed to be in classes writing right now. Abagezanga bayanuka. I-community iyalwa la. Amaphoyisa nanka ya ahlohlela ibhamu ayayilola. And asitshela ukuthi sambe seku Eskom soyenzani ku Eskom siphuma kuye angasenzeli next.
Yabona into eyenzakala la. Ayiphathi kahle nami ngoba ngivele ifuneral lapha yakithi. Manje sosebenza kanjani kuso? Ifuneral iyenzakala manje angazi ukuthi siyenza kanjani, ugesi la kakuphekeki akunanto elungayo, so sicela nenzeni something bantu.
Lamalungu omphakathi athi inhloso nqangi yokuvalwa komgwaqo bafisa uEskom ulalele izikhalazo zabo kanjalo nokhansela wendawo alisukumele lolu daba lwabo lokungabi nagesi. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV ngingonobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika